Alright guys, so I got a new GoPro and just got it mounted up, and it was a beautiful fall day, so I figured I'd just go ahead and do a little sprinting here and see how things ended up going. So got the GoPro mounted up. The sprint's about a 23-24 second, I think the KOM was 23-24 seconds. But anyway, yeah, I started off, I think my heart rate was like 118 or something super low like that. You're going to see here it's about ready to spike up really quick. So once I take this corner, I'm going to just start getting up to speed. You'll see I put on some power just to kind of lead up into the sprint. The sprint starts where that car is turning, really. So getting a nice little lead up into it. And my fall fitness isn't what it was in the summer, but I think I needed a 35 mile an hour sprint average speed to get the KOM on this. And the sprint ends here as the road curves, so just finishing up right now. And I think I got it. Yep, there we go, 22 seconds. Anyway, look at those beautiful mountains. What's not to smile about? Lots of fun stuff going on here, guys. So keep those wheels turning and keep the rubber side down. Catch you guys later.